everyone. If you're using WhatsApp in your business and you receive multiple queries on WhatsApp, then I have one and final solution for you. Because as a business owner, I receive queries from around the world at any time of the day and night. But replying to all of them manually from my side is a very time consuming part. And if you don't reply to your lead on time, there are high chances your lead is going to just lose the interest in your business. So to save this part, so to save your leads, reply instantly and correctly according to your business, I have this amazing setup in front of all of you. If you don't believe me, I'm going to pretend as a customer and send a query as a customer towards my assistant that I have created. Now I have this question, very common question that I receive. Can I return an item if I already removed the tags? Now I have a fashion apparel store business, so that is why the questions are going to be related to that. Okay, as I've asked the question, within few seconds of asking the question, you will see I will receive the reply. Returns are only eligible if the item is unused and has the original tags attached. If the tags has already been removed, the item won't qualify under the return policy. So you can see I've received this answer. If you're not satisfied with the question right now, I will ask a different type of question towards this bot. That is, I'm looking for a plain white t-shirt. What do you recommend? A recommendation question I'm asking from this bot. So now let's see how the answer for this particular question is designed from my bot, and you will see within few seconds of asking, I've received the reply. I recommend the classic white t-shirt. It's 100% cotton. You can see I've received this detailed reply with the price and everything over here. So this is how this WhatsApp bot that I have created is automatically replying. I have connected AI with WhatsApp and made this amazing system that automatically replies to all the queries that I receive related to my business on my WhatsApp business number. So now, without wasting any time, I'll show you how you can automate your WhatsApp business like pro with AI and Pabbly Chatflow. To create a bot just like this, you need a WhatsApp management tool. And what's the WhatsApp management tool that I use to create this AI assistant? Is Pabbly Chatflow. It's the most efficient and effective tool that you can use to manage the WhatsApp in your business, to manage your WhatsApp business account. So what are you waiting for, guys? It's an official Meta part provider. It's an official Meta tech provider. Go ahead, use this amazing tool right away. If you're planning to purchase its yearly or lifetime plan, I will suggest you to use my code to get the highest discount on top of the additional plans going on top of the additional discounts that is there. And if you want to first test and then purchase, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free credits. Using the credits, you can create this AI assistant with me right away, and then you can purchase their plan. So go ahead, test out, sign up for free from here, and then purchase our plans. Okay, so I've already logged into my Pabbly Chatflow account and created the entire account setup. If you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp business account number inside Pabbly Chatflow, what are the other features and how all the other features works, for that you have to go and check out all the video links added in the description section below. Now to create an AI assistant, you have to go towards this AI assistant section and you have to click on the add AI assistant button. Okay, after creating the assistant, you will come to the similar page right here. First, you have to select the instruction type. For that, select the instruction type accordingly, whatever your use case is. I will select the instruction type as AI agent. Then as you will select the type, the roles and responsibilities, the instructions for that type is going to automatically appear. If you want to add in, edit or eliminate any of the points, you can definitely do that from this section right here. Next is AI configuration, under which first is temperature. Temperature is a range from 0 to 1, 0 being very focused replies from the assistant towards your customers' queries, and 1 being creative replies. So select the temperature accordingly, whatever you want. Okay, next, AI to use. Currently we have the option of OpenAI only. That's why we'll select this AI right here. Model, select the model of OpenAI accordingly, whatever you want. Then you have to provide the API key. Now one very important note that you have to take is that you should have a paid account with OpenAI in order to create this AI assistant, or else this AI assistant won't reply. Okay, now to have the API key, go to the hyperlink directly. You will come to the OpenAI API keys section directly. Generate the key from here, copy the key that you've generated and paste it down and click on this correct button to create the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Chatflow's AI Assistant. Okay. Now, as the connection will be created successfully, next is AI Assistant settings. With the AI Assistant's messages, you want header, footer, add and stop keywords to the AI Assistant or retry attempt. You can toggle the button on and enter the data according to your requirement. I don't want that, so I skipped the parts. Next is fallback message. This message right over here, you can edit it for your own requirements and company's details. If the API key that you have is not responding correctly, then only this fallback message is going to be forwarded, or else it won't be. Okay. Now, as the first AI instruction step is completed, now next is knowledge source. Now, basically, many users ask us a very frequently asked question, that is what, that how this AI assistant is going to know about my business. How can I train this AI assistant related to my business so that it can give the answers to the queries related to my business and the policies, details, product details, and everything. Now, for that, we have the section of knowledge source, in which you add a document that explains about your business, like what's your business, what are the policies, what are the products, prices, everything. So I have created this amazing document right over here that explains in detail what is my business all about. Okay, you can create the very detailed document and upload it inside Pabbly Chatflow's knowledge source section right here directly. Okay, I've uploaded mine. You can see right over here, this is my knowledge base, and if you see the vector ID, that means the knowledge base is updated. Now, there are two types of file we accept, PDF and TXT. PDF with text, only text will have n number of pages. There is no page limit, but if there are images, 10 pages is the limit. Okay, so as now the knowledge source is added, next is AI assistant interface. The best part about AI assistant creation using Pabbly Chatflow is you can add this assistant on your website as well, so that the support bot on the corner for your business is going to look just like this that we have on Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to edit the interface of this assistant, like add in your name, business name, change this line, change the initial message, enable disabled powered by Pabbly, add in a footer link just like this, from this assistant interface section, you can do all of that. Okay, and if the user is directly sending the query on WhatsApp just like we did, what's the frequently first message that you receive? You have to enter it in the user's first message section. Interface is completed. Now, if you have your own business, you will have your brand colors. If you want to change the colors of this specific AI assistant according to your brand, you can enter the details according to your requirement. Okay, the assistant is created, guys. This is how simple it is. Simply then toggle the button on and save the assistant from here. Your assistant is created successfully. That's how simple it is to create assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. 4 sections, your part is done. Now, if you want to add the assistant on your website, as I told you, go to embedded. You will see the script in front of all of you. Copy the script, paste it on your website code. You will have the assistant on your website as well. Now, on your WhatsApp, if you're going to ask the query towards this AI assistant, like I will, how long does the standard shipping take? So this is another question I'm asking. So now let's see how this AI assistant is going to reply to this query of mine. I will wait for the reply to come. It will usually take, like 5 to 10 seconds for the reply to be posted. You can see it says standard shipment takes 5 to 10 business days and costs 50 rupees. So you can see right over here, I have received this reply. AI assistant is working. Now, if you want this AI assistant should be automatically enabled to all the numbers who's sending the inquiries on your WhatsApp number. In that case, go to settings and inbox settings section right over here. In inbox settings, you have to scroll down till the end and you will see the option of this AI auto reply settings. Enable this rule on from here. Select the contact list to whom you want to send this, and assign this AI assistant to. Select that list over here. Select the AI assistant from the drop down. This is my assistant, and save this rule from here. To all the contacts, this AI assistant will be automatically enabled if they send the query. And if you want to a specific contact only, this AI assistant should be enabled. In that case, open the contact to whom you want to assign this AI assistant to. Toggle the button on of this choose AI assistant and select the AI assistant from the drop down, and automatically to the chat this AI assistant is going to be assigned. So this is how you create the assistant using Pabbly Chatflow without need of any technical coding and programming skills. This is how simple it is. Now you can automate the WhatsApp conversations in your business using AI and Pabbly Chatflow right away. If you have any questions or doubts related to the setup, do comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.